Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about informal letter. What is an informal letter and what is the format that we should follow while writing an informal letter. So what is actually a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another. So whenever you want to express something or whenever you want to convey your messages to someone, then in that case we write letters. Letters are basically of two types, formal letter and informal letter. In my previous video, I have already discussed about formal letter. Those who have not seen that video yet, link is given in the description box. You can just go through the link and watch the video wherein I have given details about formal letter. So just to give a quick recap, a formal letter is a letter which is written for official or a professional purpose, and the letters written to editor, principal, postmaster, etc. actually are the formal letters. And informal letters are those letters which are written to our family, to our relatives, to our friends, or to the people whom you know very well. So formal letter follows a specific pattern, whereas in informal letter you don't follow any specific pattern. So your language over here is very casual, whereas in formal letters you have to be very specific and very formal while writing a letter. So what is a format of writing an informal letter? The first thing is that we should mention the sender's address. Then we should mention the date, salutation, after that body, and then at the end we should mention subscription and signature. So what is meant by salutation and what is subscription, that we will understand with the help of the format. So at first here I have mentioned the sender's address. So it is the format, or it is a sample of an informal letter where I am writing, or a person is writing a letter to his or her sister. So next is the date. So whenever you have to mention the date, mention the day first, then month, and then after that year. Then comes the salutation. This is a salutation where you address the person to whom you are writing to. Then comes the body. So I have written few lines wherein I am just telling my sister, or I am appreciating my sister for reading, for having an interest in reading, and wherein I am trying to suggest her what to read. Right. So this is the body of the letter. And at the end comes the subscription or the signature, right? So here, yours affectionately, yours lovingly. If you are writing to your mother, to your father, you can write your loving son, something like that, okay? And then comes your signature, means your name. So again, I'm repeating what is the format. First of all, mention the address, then comes the date, then comes the salutation. After that, you need to mention the body, and at the end, you need to mention the subscription and signature. Keep it in mind, everyone, that whenever you are writing an informal letter, you need not to be particular about what is the topic or what is the question given to you. You can use a casual language over here. You don't have to be very precise like formal letters. So you can use casual language, right? And there's no limitation of words. Whenever you are writing letter, whether it is formal or informal, there is no limitation of words, but definitely whatever is the topic given to you, your letter should cover the entire topic. So the main content should be covered in your letter, and as well as there is no limitation of the paragraphs as well. So this is all about informal letter. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and stay in touch for more such videos. Thank you.